Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly attract women while others seem to go unnoticed? The secret isn't luck or genetics, it's psychology. There are powerful psychological triggers that can make you irresistibly attractive to women, and today I'm going to reveal them to you. The first principle is the power of mystery. Women are naturally drawn to men who don't reveal everything about themselves at once. If you lay all your cards on the table too soon, you become predictable and boring. Instead, hold back some details, let her wonder about you. When she's thinking about you, you've already won half the battle. Confidence versus validation seeking. Women can instantly tell if you're seeking their approval. If your actions are driven by the need to be liked, it's a turn-off. Instead, operate from a place of self-assuredness. When you're comfortable with yourself, she'll feel more comfortable around you. Confidence isn't about being loud or dominant. It's about being certain in your value. Scarcity equals value. If you make yourself too available, she won't see you as high value. Why? Because people want what they can't have. If you're always there, always responding instantly, you lose that sense of exclusivity. Instead, be a little unpredictable. Keep her guessing. The subtle art of mirroring. People are naturally drawn to those who reflect their own behaviors and emotions. Mirroring is a powerful subconscious tool that builds connection. If she leans in, lean in slightly. If she slows down her speech, adjust yours. This makes her feel like you truly understand her. Emotional roller coasters create attachment. A woman will remember how you make her feel, not what you say. If every interaction is smooth and predictable, she won't feel strong emotions. But if you introduce playful teasing, challenge her opinions, and create moments of excitement followed by calmness, her brain starts associating you with intensity. And intensity leads to attraction. Scarcity and jealousy. A little bit of competition can boost your perceived value. This doesn't mean playing games, but if she sees that other women are interested in you, she naturally feels a desire to win your attention. It's human nature, we want what others want. The power of uncertainty. Have you ever noticed that people become more obsessed with things they can't fully predict? If you give a woman 100% certainty that you like her, the game is over. But if you keep her guessing, slightly showing interest, but also moments of challenge, she will think about you even more. The push and pull technique. This is one of the most effective psychological triggers. Show interest, give her attention, but then withdraw slightly. When you pull away, it creates a small void that she wants to fill. She starts questioning, why isn't he chasing me like others do? That's when she starts investing in you. Mastering eye contact. Eyes can communicate more than words ever can. Holding deep, steady eye contact creates an unspoken connection. When you look at her, don't break contact too soon. Let her feel something. The moment of intensity will stay with her long after the conversation is over. Becoming the source of emotion. Women are drawn to men who evoke emotions. If you can make her laugh, surprise her, challenge her, and intrigue her all in one conversation, she associates you with a whirlwind of emotions. And that makes you unforgettable. The difference between being seen as just a nice guy and being irresistible lies in psychological mastery. Attraction isn't luck, it's science. If you understand how the mind works, you can create undeniable attraction. So do you want to keep getting ignored? Or do you want to be the man women are drawn to? The choice is yours. Join Psych War.